Dr. Abdulraof Almulhim, PhD in Petroleum Engineering, presented by Dr. Jennifer L. Miskimmons. Dr. Ketan Arora, PhD in Civil and Environmental Engineering, presented by Dr. Marte S. Gutierrez and Dr. Almareza Hedayat. Dr. William Blount, PhD in Hydrology, presented by Dr. Terry S. Hogue. Dr. Josef Bourgeois, PhD in Mining, presented by Dr. Hugh B. Miller. Dr. Katie Challis, PhD in Geochemistry, presented by Dr. James F. Ranville. Dr. Brian Etz, PhD Applied Chemistry, presented by Dr. Shubham Vyas. Dr. Jeremy Ethan, PhD Materials Science, presented by Dr. Michael J. Kaufman. Dr. Matthew Jaskot, PhD Materials Science, presented by Dr. Jeremy D. Zimmerman. Dr. Eric Jones, PhD Applied Physics, presented by Dr. Elliot Kapit and Dr. Vladan Stefanovic. Dr. Philip Keller, PhD Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, presented by Dr. Corby G. Anderson. Dr. Zahra Khalifa, PhD Mechanical Engineering, presented by Dr. Nils G. Tilton. Dr. Allison Lim, PhD Materials Science, presented by Dr. Alan S. Sellinger. Dr. Kathryn Newhart, PhD Civil and Environmental Engineering, presented by Dr. Tsahi Y. Kath and Dr. Amanda Herring. Dr. Solomon Owusu, PhD Mining, presented by Dr. Kadri Dagdalan and Dr. Tice B. Johnson. Dr. Hao Chin, PhD Chemical Engineering, presented by Dr. Carolyn Coe and Dr. Luis E. Zerpa Acosta. Dr. Sankhaneel Sinha, PhD Geological Engineering, presented by Dr. Gabriel G. Walton.